Hey friends, Dave here. So we've been talking a lot about how to basically send more relevant emails to get better results. And so we've been talking about things like segmentation, and we've talked about things like adding automation. And really, this is how you start to get from that foundational level where you're just kind of sending to everybody and then moving to that next step to get those better results. And so just as a reminder and a refresher here, right, you want to make sure that you're segmenting your list into smaller groups of like contacts so you can send more specific information. And so you're going to want to make sure that you're catering the messages to those groups specifically, right? And then lastly, you want to make sure that you're adding some automation to these efforts so that you can send those more timely emails, right? It's based on the needs of those particular customers. And so if you start to do these things, you're actually really going to be on your way to getting those better results that we're talking about from your email marketing efforts. And so I'd love to hear from you. What are some of the things that you've been doing? What have you been implementing? And what are you seeing by doing the things that we've been talking about here? Segmentation, catering messages, and then adding some light automation to what you're doing in your efforts. All right, friends. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.